What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and we've got an exciting one for you. We have the AULA F99. This is a 3-in-1 hot-swappable RGB gasket mechanical keyboard. So if you look behind us, you'll actually see that we have an AULA keyboard right there. Definitely check out my channel's earlier videos to see an unboxing of that one. But this is the AULA full-size 99 key keyboard. So before we get started, huge shout out to Geeks Outfit. I've got my What Doesn't Kill You Gives You XP shirt. They have a bunch of really cool and geeky apparel and accessories. I'll put a link to them in the description below, and I'll throw in a discount code as well from their site. So back to the AULA, because this is the, this looks really cool. I'm excited to see this one. The cool thing about these keyboards is they are not just wired keyboards. These are fully wireless Bluetooth keyboards. So that's one thing that you don't really notice at first because it's a mechanical keyboard, but this is fully wireless. All right, so we've got the documentation here. So it's basically what the keyboard looks like and what all the options do and what the lights do and what the buttons do. If you look on the other side, we've got the same kind of thing. It shows you what keyboard shortcuts you can use to adjust the lighting speed, as well as how to use different connection modes, for example, Android, Windows, Mac, and iOS. So definitely keep that or take a photo of it so that you have that with you. And then it has a smaller user manual here. And ooh, look at this. This style, I absolutely love this style here. So let me take the keyboard out real quick, and then we're going to take a look at what's in here, because it's not all. We've got a USB-C cable, and it's in a gray, similar color to the keyboard itself, which is nice. Very aesthetic. And then we got some replacement switches, and these are linear quiet switches. And it looks like that's it. Let's take a look at the keyboard itself. Oh, let's do the reveal. Wow, that blue is insane. So this is a blue and purple, and I'm doing it right by the microphone so you can hear that. Very nice sounding keyboard. If we look at the back, we do have a USB here, so we can pull this off and use 2.4 gigahertz connection here. Nice, you see that catch? We have AULA as the logo. So nice little storage slot there. This is also metal, which is nice to see. We have Bluetooth. We have, oh, look, it's on. Look at those LEDs. Wow. So we have Bluetooth wired and 2.4 gigahertz. So you can choose between them, just, switching this back and forth. Then we have a Type-C connector. If you are connecting it through USB-C, this not only charges it, but connects it as a device to your computer. But the reason it's important that you can choose is if you use it as a Bluetooth device, for example, and then you plug it in, you don't want it detecting itself as a wired computer because you're already connected to Bluetooth. It's going to cause hiccups or be weird. So you can actually charge it while you're on Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz and then unplug it without anything switching. I think that's a pretty nice feature. On the bottom, of course, it is of similar high quality that we've seen from previous AULA keyboards. We have the rubber pads to keep it from moving, as well as the multiple feet here with rubber pads as well. And if we lower the top one, we have a smaller one with rubber pads as well. So whatever height you work with, whether you want it flat or slightly high or higher, it is basically gonna work for you, which is really nice. Now, how long is it gonna last? A very long time. There is a 4,000 milliamp hour battery in this, which is more than some phones have, but it's a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and they claim without lighting effects it will last 400 hours. With lighting effects it will last 53. So this is all day usage, charge in the night kind of thing. Easy. Sometimes 2 days usage, charge in the night, and that's assuming you use it the entire 24 hours. So yeah, this is very good quality. You will have some weight to it. It is pretty chunk because it's got that heavy battery, but I actually prefer that. I think a strong and sturdy keyboard, like if we move this here, there's a little bit of flex, not much flex. It's very, very sturdy. So yeah, I'm really excited about this one. It has that retro vibe to it, which I really, really dig. Thank you so much to AULA for sending this over, and I'll hopefully get some beauty shots of this and end it on the B-roll. Hope you have a good one. Peace.
That's that digital guru with a modern day voodoo. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.